I'm currently on my luxury buy journey and I've been collecting some pieces that are very budget friendly before I start going for the high-end brands. So I'm going to talk about five underrated luxury brands that you've not really checked out because you just feel the luxury brand are just the Gucci, the Chanel, the Chloe, and all that. So let's get into these five underrated luxury brands that you need to know in 2024. My favorite brand. I can't wait to get a piece from them, which is Pauline. Pauline is a very nice luxury brand. It's actually a French brand that I actually do adore. Since knew this brand, I've always been interested in getting one of their bags, which is the Pauline Numero 9 bag. And also the Numero Dix bag is also very nice. But I prefer the Numero 9. The shape is different. This bag, the Numero 9 bag, is very common. I always see it among celebrities. I see it in movies, and I know that this bag I need to have it. There are different sizes for this bag, so you can get a small size, but I would definitely go to get a medium size because I don't have bags that are sizable enough to fit in my work essentials. I don't want to buy bag for not using them, so I actually do use my bag. So yes, that's the reason why I would highly recommend this bag for you guys. Coach. Many people say that Coach is not an high-end brand. Coach is more like a contemporary brand. But for me, I see them as the high-end brand. Any bag brand that sells bags for like $150 and above, you're already high-end because I can actually get bags that are actual high street brand. I'll get it for 60 to $100. But if you're going above $100, like Jay, you're already a luxury brand, whether you like it or not. So yes, Coach brand is a very lovely brand. I have some pieces from Coach. But the favorite brand bag for Coach that I would recommend for you guys to get is the Coach Empire bag. This bag is really nice and cheap. And currently, this bag has been like a re-edition of it has been done, and it's really lovely. I'll show you guys in the inside. This particular one has more like a tan feel to it, so it's a very lovely bag that you should have in 2024. So if you can get the current Coach Empire bag, or you want to get the latest edition of it, definitely check them out. But for the Coach Empire bag itself, the original edition, it's really nice. Actually, I will go for that because it's not trendy and it's going to last in my closet. I can get it, you can get it into various color, which are very neutral options. But you know what? When it comes to all these luxury brands, and you want to buy affordable options, it's better you go for colors because people rarely go for colors. But when you go for the neutral colors, everybody's trying to get the neutral colors, and the price kind of go high. You know the law of demand and supply. And this particular Coach bag, the Empire bag, I would love to get it from beloved markets because that's where you get to find a lot of gems of bags. You get vintage options of these particular bags that you always get. So yes, if you go to looking at getting this Coach Empire bag, I'll be looking at the real or fashion fair. But most times I will always look at the real because that's my favorite beloved brands actually shop for luxury. I'm going to talk about this kind of bags are going to $1,000 and $2,000 range, which is the first one I'm going to talk about is the Ferragamo Up bag. I love this particular bag. Anytime I see this bag, it's giving me the vibe of the Row bag, which I also love. But I don't know, the Row has been likened to the new Birkin, and the Row bag is more like a neutral tone bag. But personally, even I'm going to get that the Row bag, I'll be looking at the suede option because it's really nice. But the issue with me and suede is that I know it's a high maintenance leather, which I would definitely avoid. But let's talk this Ferragamo Oak bag. It is really super fun. If you're looking for an alternative for that the roll bag, you can go for this Ferragamo Oak bag. I actually do love the bag. The fact that it looks like a literal orb in front, it's just uniquely shaped, different from the design of most bags, which I actually love the fact that it is unique and different. And it is not just a trendy bag, it's actually a staple you can have in your closet. That's why I'm looking at Ferragamo bag. And Ferragamo has a lot of nice bags which you can look out for. So if you're looking for budget friendly bags, you definitely check Ferragamo. They have lovely bags. I actually love this particular Ferragamo shoe, which is a little bit structured differently. It's more like a statement shoe, which I already have my eyes on. I hope to get it from the luxury pre-loved market. But definitely this Ferragamo up bag, if you're on the hunt for something that gives you the row vibe, but it's actually not the row. You can check out the Ferragamo up bag. It's a very lovely good bag for you to buy this bag. Dimili is another luxury. I think more like an Italian brand. These brand bags are very budget friendly. You can get bags between 200 to 300, even up to $500. Very nice option. Actually, this particular Dimili bag I love is more like a shoulder strap bag, which I put inside the picture for you guys to see. But many of these influencers have been showing us this particular brand, introducing it to us. So if you're someone looking for luxury brand on a budget, definitely check the media brand. The leather, I've been told by many that this is very is of great quality. It's very, very nice. It will stay lasting in your clothes. And I've always said when you're going for all these kind of things, look for staples that you can use for a very long time. So I wouldn't be buying a bag or a luxury bag and I'll be keeping it in my closet. It doesn't make sense. So get bag that you definitely use. And one thing about this Emily bag that I will always recommend is that it's not really common. Many people don't know about it. People are just getting to know it. So you can definitely wear it by straying down the street. You can wear it to work. You won't be afraid that someone's going to grab your bag thinking it's the Gucci and the Versace. So yes, it's one of those brand that though they are not popular yet, they are still budget friendly and you will not be afraid of using your bag anytime of the day, anywhere you're going to. So yes, I definitely recommend you check out this brand. Aside the fact that it is not popular, it's still a bag that I would definitely love to have in my collection because actually budget friendly. And I'll be going for more of the color of brown or black, most probably brown because that's what I definitely gravitate towards. And yes, I would love this bag brand. And if you're looking for a budget friendly contemporary brand to look for that is luxury, definitely check out this bag brand. We all know that Italian leather is really, really nice. They put much effort in the construction of the bag and they also make sure that the leather is great quality and will last you for a brand that actually gives you this quiet luxury free, no much logos. They give you very neutral tone colors. You can definitely wear it with as much pieces that you want. Definitely check out Totem. Totem gives me this vibe. For Totem brand, my favorite bag for Totem is this Totem tin dog brand. Very, very nice and pretty. It gives you this the structure is such that when you are carrying it as top and it gives you this little slouchy feel, the same way the Louis V puzzle bag does, which is very, very unique and very fine. I love the bag. The tin dog is what you used to put it, which I'm like, this is unique. And I always see it with all these influencers talking about this bag. And out of all the bags that they rave about, I think I'm over it when it comes to the high-end luxury. These ones are new, unique, and to take Chidok bag actually has me on a chokehold. Very, very nice, cute bag to have. And there are so many dupes available, but for me, I would still want the luxury bag itself because this bag is really, really nice, cheap, and the leather is very nice and fluffy. This bag actually I do love, but if you're interested in the dupes that are available, definitely check out AliExpress. AliExpress have various variations, various price points of this dupe bag that you definitely love. As if you know, sometimes don't sleep on AliExpress because most time though you say they are trying to use another brand's structural back, but sometimes they put in so much effort and give you great leather when it comes to what you're buying. So you may get a dupe that is giving you almost the vibe as the brand itself. But actually, you will all know that it's not the same brand. But definitely, I would highly recommend that you get this to Tempting bag. It's really, really nice. This is another luxury brand that people don't really pay attention to. They are not mentioned amongst the Balenciagas, the Bottegas and all that. But you know this particular brand give you luxury experience, give you this quality for your bag or the quality for your money that you spend, and it's going to last so long. So guys, which of these understated luxury brands do you actually love? Which of them can't you wait to have in your closet? Do you start checking other understated luxury or contemporary brands, or do you want to focus on shopping for high-end brands? For me, I would say if you're just starting your luxury journey, I would highly recommend you check all these bag brands, especially Coach, because it gets to introduce you into luxury. You get to know what it is to actually enjoy luxury. You feel the leather, you see the stitching, and like, okay, this is what to look out for, and why I should actually go for more high-end luxury. But yes, this is a step, like a step on getting some. That me, I would say when you're just starting your luxury brand journey, go for the contemporary brand like this list. Or definitely you can start if it's island in the looking for, you can look for scarves, you can look for caps from them. But definitely, I would say this understated luxury brand. I believe you need to consider them because they actually give you that luxury feel and will last in the process. So guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. See you another time. Bye guys.